Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach, meaning not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I also teach people how to sing in them. And I'm hoping to be your guide to achieve your language learning goals, whether it'll be for singing in your targeted language or speaking in your targeted language. Now, in this episode for How to Learn as an Adult 101, this whole series is to help adult learners, the process of learning, to avoid misinformation and stigmas, and just to show you that there's literally scientific proof that you guys, regardless of age, you can learn a language. Also, this series is meant for my teachers, my fellow teachers, to just review on basic techniques, and so we can become better teachers for our students. All right, so let's get this video started. In this video, we're going to be talking about lifelong learning and its importance in the language learning process. Now, honestly, lifelong learning, it goes beyond formal education. And it really encourages and it empowers adults, our adult students, to continuously gain new knowledge and skills to meet the demands of their daily lives outside of what we teachers give them in class. Now, essentially, what is lifelong learning? What is the definition of it? Well, lifelong learning is a voluntary, dynamic, and continuous process where individuals actively seek new knowledge and skills throughout their lives. Now, for adults, the natural desire to grow and explore new things makes lifelong learning a crucial aspect of their ongoing development, regardless of the skill, regardless if you're learning a language. This applies to every skill that you're learning. And this process is going to go beyond. It's going to go beyond formal education, like high school or a university. It's essential to remember that lifelong learning, it can be motivated by both personal interests and work interests or work pressures. We all know that. Let's explore some examples of lifelong learning for adult language learning students. On the professional side, it can be driven by extrinsic motivations like getting a promotion or furthering one's career. So for an example, one wants to learn Spanish so they have a higher chance of getting that promotion at work. Another example, on the personal front, intrinsic motivations can come into play here, like learning Japanese so we're able to watch the anime without subtitles, because we all know that subtitles can be, to say the least, interesting. Anywho, or another intrinsic motivation could be listening to your favorite singer who is a bilingual singer. They sing in English and in their native language. For an example, K-pop. Blackpink, anyone? We know that they're multilingual, right? They sing songs in English, Korean, and in Japanese. So the advantages of incorporating lifelong learning into the language learning process are infinite. The first is going to boost the students' confidence, and also it's going to enhance their motivation as they realize that they don't have to solely depend on the lessons that we provide them in the classroom. Okay? Also, with lifelong learning, it helps maintain employment agility, allowing learners to adapt to different industries and scenarios as they progress in their careers. Because as teachers, we are here to help guide our students. We are here to help support them in the best way we effectively can. And we provide the tools so the students are able to engage in this lifelong learning process after class. As educators, introducing lifelong learning to our adult students, yes, it can be challenging, to say the least, especially with with beginning and intermediate learners. With our advanced students, we can directly explain the concept and its long-term benefits. But for those that are starting out in their language learning journey, we can guide them towards resources like movies, TV series, novels, magazines, blogs, podcasts, language learning apps. There's so many resources out there that we can recommend that will align with their interests, fostering the proper mindset. As you guys can see, lifelong learning is such a powerful concept that really not only just encourages our adult students, or just students in general, to go beyond formal education and and having that desire to continuously improve their language ability. As both a teacher and as a language learner, it's honestly a good reminder, and this is what encourages me, to teach in different languages so I can better connect with my students. And also that I'm a language nerd, but I'm engaged in this lifelong learning process to continuously apply the languages that I've learned into my daily life, into my work. So thank you so much for joining me today in this video. I hope you guys found this video informative. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys can get updated on future videos. And until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Take care, everyone. Happy studying.